In the field of civil engineering, there are a lot of offers in career opportunities with growth and good salary compensations. Here is a list of top 10 highest paying countries of civil engineering around the world. So let's start our countdown. At number 10 there is Netherlands. The Netherlands is a country in northwestern Europe known for flat landscape of canals and modern construction. The average salary of civil engineers in Netherlands is about $40,500. At number 9 there is United Kingdom. The average salary of civil engineers in United Kingdom is about $40,600. Those who get the highest paid salaries, they are in engineering, manufacturing and utilities. From the last month, the salary got increased by 12%. At number 8 there is France. The average salary of civil engineers in France is about $42,200. Engineering salaries in France is rising in the year of 2019, which is based on the recent submitted salaries and reports. The chart is 3% higher than in 2018. The trend suggests continuing to increase pay in 2020 and future years. At number 7 there is Germany. Crossing the Atlantic Oceans, few countries in the world have rich history in the engineering as Germany. The average salary of civil engineers is about $44,800. At number 6 there is Canada. Canada is an infrastructural sound country with an advanced economy and vast access to natural resources. It is also boasts progressive environmental and social legislature, making it a great place to work for engineers who are passionate about these issues. The average salary in Canada is about $47,200. At number 5 there is Australia. The average salary of civil engineers in Australia is about $54,000. The civil engineers of Australia must have working knowledge of CAD software and engineering design softwares. Employers require the candidate to have bachelor or master degree in civil engineering. They require professional engineer's license. At number 4 there is United States. The average salary of civil engineers in United States is about $62,700. Salary estimates are based on salary submitted to Indeed by the civil engineer employees, users, and collected from the past and present job advertisement in past 36 months. The tenure for civil engineers is about 1 to 3 years. At number 3 there is Norway. The average salary of the civil engineers in Norway is about $67,100. Norway is known as the building and construction industry. The building and contractor sector comprise the construction and maintenance of the houses and the commercial buildings. The development of the roads, airports, and facilities related to defense, energy, oil, gas, railway, and more. At number 2 there is Denmark. The average salary in Denmark is about $71,500. Mostly the civil engineers design plans, manage construction projects, civil engineering work in many sectors like structure, environment, and transportation. Their job ranges from small-scale projects like building bridges repair to very large-scale building like stadium. At number 1 there is Switzerland. The average annual salary of the civil engineers in Switzerland is about $77,500. It is one of the best country in the world and top list in the happiest country in the world. It does not only have bustling and growing economy, it is also one of the most scenic places in the world and boasting lush green valleys and gorgeous mountains. That is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon to do not miss any video.